Good morning, Shark. What's up, Angela? What up, guys? What up? Trying to see, can I do a poll? Good morning, Shark. What's up, Angela? I guess I cannot do a poll from here. Buzz, what's up? Good morning. Music a little bit loud. Oh, thank you. Oh, you know what it is? Hold on. Let me know how that sounds. Better? Awesome. Okie dokie, guys. Okie dokie. Welcome. Good morning. Sorry for the different type of stream, but I'm at a hotel right now and still wanted to make sure I get myself live. Probably going to be less people today, but that's all right. Just want to stay consistent and keep the live streams going. Oh, you know what? The live stream didn't post in the Discord. Hold on. Good morning. If you haven't done so, would mean a lot if you guys tap that like button just to get that party started. As you can see, we have continued to sell off, which has been crazy. Morning, pre. Musta. Morning. Wolf, good morning. Yeah, sorry guys, I'm at a hotel right now, so we'll be streaming from my laptop while getting some breakfast. But good morning. Bitcoin actually broke 70K. We're falling below 70K right now as we speak. Crazy. All the guys that bought up at all-time highs, they're stressing out right now. No horizontal today, man. I couldn't. I didn't have enough time to set it up on my OBS on my laptop. I mean, essentially, I probably could, but you know, it is what it is. Just trying to stay consistent and live stream, even though I'm at a hotel right now. Still wanted to trade with Dog, you know what I mean? I still wanted to hang out, look at the charts, maybe trade, I don't know. Not gonna force anything today. And drink my water. Breakfast is almost served. Alright, so I got 2 new combines here with us, right? We're still good on that. Hello, glad you're streaming, bro. Thanks, Fred. So we still have we have 2 new combines, and we still have these 3 express accounts, but I'm just going to trade these 2 together. They're at around, they've been totaled at $6,708. Current balance is $3,593, and we're still up for the week, which is nice. And then I still have this last express account that I trade like separately by itself. I don't really I don't copy trade it, just in case. You just really never know. I kind of went hard on this one. I kind of size up because it's just one account. And we're up 3,693 for the week on this, so I'm going to take this one slow. Oh yeah, that's right, Will. Mine isn't delayed. It says mark. Oh no. It doesn't say. Mine doesn't say delayed. So that's weird. Alright, we have jolts at 8 o'clock today. See if they're really going to drop that data. I don't know if that's actual. I don't know if the government shutdown is affecting this data, but job openings supposedly today. So we have some time if there's anything available. Fred said, did you pay? I mean, that might be the reason why, maybe. That's funny. All right, let's look in the charts since we don't have our, like, you know, live stream music and stuff. Actually, I'm gonna play our just for consistency and like being close, you know, to having some sort of system. we're gonna play. We're gonna play our morning song. Here it is.
Shaq and his team dive into the
And while we do that, while we do this,
like sharks,
I'm gonna grab some breakfast.
for shame.
Give me a second.
So sharp, like a knife in the night. Every move calculated, every risk we fight. In the matrix, we're the kings of the game. Trading like sharks, no room for shame. Strategy so sharp, like a knife in the night. Every move calculated, every risk we fight. In the matrix, we're the kings of the trade, riding high. Our wealth's never to fade, sharp as a blade. Our confidence is bold in the market. We're never cold. Through the chaos, through the pain, we rise above. We never wane. Each trade of victory, each also lessons. In the matrix, we're never at a loss. From the depths to the peaks, we ascend. With every win, we feel our power bend. Traded like pros in the eye of the storm. Our success is our greatest form. The market's our playground. We play the game with every trade. Our confidence remains no matter the risk. We take it on in the matrix. We're never alone. In the matrix, we're the kings of the trade, riding high. Our wealth's never to pay, sharp as a blade. Our confidence is bold in the market. We're never cold.
Will, shout out to you, bro. How lucky are we not only trading but a mukbang also? This guy. Oh man. That's what my wife does. She can do mukbangs. She's the one that got me into mukbangs. I couldn't believe it. She showed me. She's like, there's people who literally eat in front of a camera and talk, and I was like, there's no way. Like, how does that get views? And she showed me millions of views. People who freaking talk in the car and eat like crazy. All right, so we're gonna mark off our 1 hour supply and demands as usual. Supply. These two supplies are most important. And there's one right here that we're currently in. We already filled this one up. I'm gonna delete that one. Then we're gonna look at our demands, which technically we're in a demand right now. We've tapped into this demand. We've bounced up from it. So a more current play, if we were to get it, is a break of structure of this here. As long as we close above this structure, we can look for longs down here. But if we don't close above it, we continue lower. Gold filtered structure. Exactly. Where are you from? Well, I'm in Arizona, but I'm Filipino. Let's take a look at MNQ. All right, NASDAQ just keeps on selling. We have a lot of bearish news coming in from the AI stocks, and we also have a lot going on with, oh my gosh, brain fart, earnings this week for tech stocks. So just gonna mark off some key areas on the 1 hour. This is the low on the 1 hour. This is back in November 21st. We were at the 24,107 range. And we're heading back down to that level. So I would continue to be looking for shorts. Depending on what happens here, I'll be looking for shorts up for NQ up here in this area. I imagine there are going to be a lot of other people waiting for shorts up there. We have broken this structure. You know, now we're going for the swing low. We may not reach back up into the supply. I've seen it where it only comes back to this demand. So this is an old demand now considered new supply. So I'm going to leave that box open. Excuse me. Actually, it's going to mess us up. So I'm going to put a line here showing the bottom of just in case an opportunity arises in that area. All right, so we have 1 hour supply above, and then we have the bottom of the 1 hour old demand new supply here. So potentially a trade forming an entry up here, waiting for a break of structure. There you go. And now we sit and wait, y'all. Now we sit and do nothing. This is a pretty good apple. I'm not gonna lie. I need to ask what kind of apple this is. Pardon my eating, everybody. Also, an added confluence would be a nice break of trend line. Crunchy apple, ASMR, check gold. Oh, very nice, very nice. All right, so we're coming back down. Shorts want to hold. So we're looking at the structure right now. There's really, it's a pretty risky buy. If you want to buy in this demand, it's risky because we technically didn't break this last swing high. So if we close below here, we close below these swing lows, I will see if we get a retest to go lower. Not the greatest setup, but we're selling off, so we're just trading with the momentum. And next stop would potentially be down here on the 1 hour, 4,7139. So potentially be at the $4,713.09 on gold today if this continues to push. But let's see if we get that break, and I'll take it on the combines, to be honest. Not something I potentially want to take. All right, I put my alerts there. We'll see what happens. Yeah, NQ is going to be a longer play, guys. Could we flip our bias and go long right now and try to ride this up? Sure. We also have this 5-minute supply right here. So the thing is there's a chance the trade could happen a little bit closer to here. We just don't know where and when. Ideally, I want it to be up here in this 1 hour supply. But we might not get that. Gold is holding. So we have this demand. And it's holding. But I don't want to take buys because essentially we just are going sideways right now until there's a lower low or higher high. I don't want to mess with it. Will that one song you made for you in it? I think we talked about it. That one is funny. Oh, Shaq's still learning. That was a good one, bro. That might be the new Red Day song. And then the one that Dylan posted was actually pretty good too. Quiet morning. It is. NQ's actually moving kind of slow. If we look at NQ, not the craziest moves right now. Let's look at how big the 1 minute candles are on gold. It's not that crazy. 6 points. It used to be every 1 minute candle used to be 10 points. Oh yeah, never mind. One mini contract would be $1,570 on just this one bull candle. So it's still pretty crazy. See this like sideways movement? Not what I want to be in. But if you're a range trader and you want to just you want to buy here and sell up there, you might be good. Time to bargain since it's not a normal stream. How about 20 likes? Will, you should literally be a salesman. You would be really good. Okay, deal. 25 likes, 25K funded hero. That's a low goal. That's a really low goal. If you look at NQ1H, there is an old demand. Does that turn into supply now? Yes, that's kind of what I drew here. So this, I'll delete this one. This candle here, blue candle right here, technically is a demand, but now it's going to be new supply, which is why I put that one line here. So I'd be looking for a trade there. 1 hour, 1H, old demand, new supply. So we'll see. We might not get it. See if this 5-minute trend line holds or not. I'm thankful that I don't have to rush today because I'm in the area where I'm going to be shooting content, so I get to just chill. You heard the man. Let's get it. Let's get it. People trying to short this trend line might get trapped on a fake trend line break. That used to be me. I used to just take the trend line break just to take it and get faked out. Boom, got faked out. That sucks. Gold is still just ranging, so we didn't break that swing low. So we're just waiting. If we break above these highs, we'll look for longs. Quick scalp, nothing crazy. M and Q buys though. M and Q buys. A little risky of a trade but it's going to be on the combine. I'd want to just buy up into where we want to go short. I have to do this twice. Never mind. Going to be too slow. I was going to do a risky trade on the combines only, which is going long up into the supply, because we held the trend line, and you know, idea is if we hold the trend line, we go to the area where we want to short, but the combines aren't copy trading, so I have to like do it twice, and don't feel like rushing into that. Oh, maybe it's gonna let me do it. M and Q.
Order filled.
No.
Order filled.
Ugh. Oh, we got stopped out already. A little too early. This is just the combine, guys. Please remember, just the combine. I'm not taking this on eval.
Order filled.
All right, I'm gonna. Wait for the break. I'm going risky on the combines. Remember, I'm okay losing $90. I'd rather just pass quickly like I do. And I still have the lucid ones too. Oh, looks like this trend line's gonna hold. Or this looks like this trend line break is actually going to work out. Yes, I did, Will. You're right. You're right. They did used to run with swords back in the day, so you're right. Okay, all right. Well, it looks like the sellers are stepping in early today, and we're not potentially going to get our we're not going to get our area of entry for shorts. We got 1 minute left, 1 minute 55 seconds on this 1 hour candle, so let's see what happens. Did you see the next message after it? I might have been wrong. Oh, let me check. Wait, no, scratch that. They might have walked up to their enemies. Running was invented in 1748 when you tried to walk twice at the same time. Oh my goodness, bro. There's no way. Okay, it's a meme. I was like, there's no way. I was about to freaking look that up. Bro, nowadays you cannot tell what is freaking real and what is fake. My wife was watching a TikTok video of this like older guy dancing, and she's like, I can't tell if this is real. I can't tell if it's fake. And we both looked at it, and you know, I think I'm pretty decent at trying to figure out if it's fake or not. And legitimately, this one, I was 50-50. But I think with the way how the old man was moving, it's like so quickly, it was fake. But dude, these AI videos are getting out of hand. I'm feeling kind of risky here, guys. I'm feeling kind of risky for the combines. Call me crazy, but I'm gonna try to long this area. 2-1-0.
Order filled. Order filled.
No! Shorts are in, bruh. The shorts are in. Well, that's for the combine. Oh, is there news right now, bro? Is this the wrong time? If this is CST, that means this just came out my time. Oh my gosh. Oh, no. It's still 8 a.m. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, oh my gosh, bro. What the heck? We got stopped out on the combines, bro. We just got done dirty. Did dirty. All right, gold finally chose a way to go. On the 5 minute at least. So as long as this next 5 minute candle closes below these swing lows, I'd be interested to short. Unemployment claims was 30 minutes ago. Okay. Weird. 6:30. 7 o'clock. Very weird. Oh, we have 2 minutes left on this candle. I'm not taking it on the evals. I'm just gonna wait. Bro, NQ did us dirty. Why you gotta do us dirty like that, NQ? Alright, so that 5 minute candle isn't holding from what we can see, which is all good. We don't want to do anything unless it breaks these lows. Freaking NQ, bro. Gold stuck in range. Well, 32 seconds left, so we'd need to see this flush really hard to close those lows. Combines only, guys. Combines only. I'm trying to pass these things quick. Closed equal low. Oof. Yeah, I ain't touching that. Come on, don't leave us. Come back and fill in this 5-minute demand. Come on, bro. It's too cold in here, bro. That coffee is good, though. That coffee is good. OMG.
Order filled.
I can't be left behind on that move. Okay, now I have to make 2,200. Oh, it's perfect. All right, let's see if we do well on NQ on these combines. Let's take a look at gold. All right, so gold made the double bottom on the 5-minute. Essentially, now, if we close above this swing high, then we'd want to look for longs in this 5-minute demand, right over here. But we want to see if this 5-minute candle close above it. Bro, am I gonna get cooked yet again? I'm probably sizing up too much, but it's because I'm trying to pass this combine in 2 days, which is very risky. So I'm risking 200 bucks. Is it gonna come down, tap this 1 minute demand? In the matrix. Come on. Go grab that backbone coffee, bro. Link in bio, that's right. Link in bio for Fred if you want some backbone coffee. What's gold doing? Oof. Oof. Dang, gold is breaking people's hearts right now. Same with NQ. NQ's breaking my heart. Saying. I'm saying, bruh. Come on, NQ. Going for a dip. Yeah, it looks like it. These are just combines, so I'm totally like A-okay with the risk that I'm taking. It's looking like I'm gonna get stopped out.
Order filled.
Oh, we got stopped out.
Order filled.
Bruh. That's why I'm not trading the freaking express accounts yet. On the express accounts, I am going to be extra picky. This is the part that sucks, is that when you're waiting for like legitimate A+ setups, you can be waiting all day long. That's just we can wait 2 hours for a legitimate setup, and then that setup lose, which is even crazier. It's early. Oh, 100% it's early. Bro, watch it. If it rips, I'm gonna freaking NQ, man. Freaking. You freaking fricks. When will you learn? Yeah, this gold, this whole thing gold is doing right now is no joke. This'll put you on tilt. So on gold, we're still waiting. I'm gonna wait for shorts up here. If we get up there, market open. Possibly if we do get up here, some sort of crazy run up, look for shorts up here. We're in a 1 hour demand right now, technically. So, you know, this trend line looks pretty nice actually to go long up into supply. I'll wait for a break of the trend line or break a structure first before entertaining longs on gold. Dang. NQ just ruining accounts. Just obviously it ruined my combines, but look at this, man. That's nasty. You can't even trend line that. That's some bad price action. That's what's happening right now. Usually I would have to drive 2 hours, but not today. Not today, bro. Don't have to drive 2 hours today. That's exactly what's happening. Guess we have to sit and wait. Bro, patience pays. Yeah, patience does pay. Patience pays the bills, apparently. Alright, NQ's pushing to sell off. Didn't even give us a chance. Screaming. They be screaming at me here, bro. So we technically had a break of structure here, right? But it's not in a 1 hour supply. So here's the swing low, and then here's this 5-minute demand. Sorry, this 5-minute candle right here closed below the swing low, came back up in this 5-minute supply. Oh snap! Came back up in this 5-minute supply. Screaming. Came up in this 5-minute supply and then shorted, but it's not in a 1 hour supply or demand for us. It's a 1 hour demand, but it's not. That means we look for longs in demands. So. Yeah. All right, so we broke lower here. Sorry, that distracted me, guys. So we broke below these swing lows. Potentially shorts look decent. Maybe taking it on the combines, but at this point I just don't want to do anything, even combine. Gold breaker structure. Yeah, we broke these lows, so technically, you know, people might be looking to take short in this 5-minute supply, so essentially being entered in right now to go short. And then this line is the low of the 1 hour candle, so it'd be looking to break that low. Did I miss the fill? I think I did miss the fill. I'm trying it on the combine, guys. I don't care to. I'm really risky on the combines because it's whatever. I have to really differentiate combine versus evals or express. Oh man, that is. Forgot this is gold. Forgot we're trading gold right now, guys. Not express accounts, not express accounts. This is just combines. Ugh. You'll get there, Will. You're on the way, brother. You'll get that. You'll get that express account. You're on the way to that funded, bro. Come on, gold. You know you want to break down to the lows. I just did a. Who sings that song? Oh my gosh. Rolling in the deep. Adele. I just turned an Adele song into a trading song. You had my heart and soul in your hands, and you played it to the beat. Why do I know so much of that song? Because it was overplayed when it came out, and it played in every grocery store and mall in existence. That's why. Bro, no vertical stream today, Papa Bear. I'm in a hotel right now. I'm not at my office. Chilling in the hotel. Hotel, motel, Holiday Inn. Bro, are you kidding me right now, bro? They used to play that song for bullying for all my elementary school. That's the song, bro. That song was the national anthem pretty much. Noise. Still wanted to hit the stream with you guys. You had my heart and phone in your hands, and you played it to the beat. We're cooked, guys. We are cooked. It held. Might be wanting to test the 13 EMA, but you know, we took the stab, and that's all we can do. No. No. No.
Order filled.
GG's. Did you not stream yesterday? I did not. I was on the road early in the morning. You have a funded account, Will? Will has a Will's working on that funded account. We still have ours. We still have ours, but we got stopped out. Well, that's it for the combines. I usually do well with combines at night. That's how I passed the last two. Market's about to open in 5 minutes, so we're just gonna let price kind of do its thing. I still like this trend line long for gold. Only on the express accounts. I mean, on the express accounts, as long as we break the trend, break structure. Freaking Will. Will, don't do that, Will. Don't be sneaky like that. It's supposed to be 25 likes. Will's trying to play a game here. If you scroll up, oh, it's 20 like. Sorry, I thought it says 25 likes. No, I said 25 likes. It's got to be 25, guys. Come on, 20?
Have a good day.
20 is too easy for you guys. Fine, Will. Fine. 20 it is. Fine. I heard it was 17 likes. 17 likes. I'll give away $1 in funding out of my own account. 02 likes. This guy. My heart is on your hand. 'Cause you played it to the beat. I love by you, my heart. You dream if you love this and I have to talk. I love me, certified. Her task is support acceptable. Bro, do you have a promo code for TopStep? Bro, I wish, dude. I wish. I don't. TopStep, you don't choose TopStep. TopStep chooses you. They're big like that. They get to be all picky. Market open, 55 seconds. Everybody stay tight. Remember to remember. Okay? Remember to remember. Remember to just be patient, manage risk, and be in the moment. all those combine trades I took are definitely just fugazi gambling trades. Maybe I should just change that theory and just copy trade the combines with the evals and just take A+ setups and pass the combines when I pass them. But sometimes it takes forever. It could take 3 or 4 days, acting like that's forever. Maybe I'll just do that on the next round. I'm just going to take A+ setups on the combines. Alright, market open. Alright, so I like gold in its current position. As long as we break these highs, I'll look for longs. So I'm going to set some alerts up here. NQ is just breaking lower. Potentially looking for shorts up here. 2 5-minute supplies. The mofo's gonna choose you after a year, maybe. If it's God's will, yeah, 100%, brother. If it's God's will, I'm totally all for it. See, the song is still in my head. It's ingrained in my brain. I mean, NQ continuing off is possibility. I was looking at shorting this 5-minute supply right at open, which would have played out nicely, but it was too risky. Bum, 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 bum. We could have had it all. Okay, looks like the sell-off continues. Oof. Feel myself wanting to make something happen right now, but just gonna sit here with you guys and wait till something happens. Where's Dylan, by the way? He's not in the Discord. Dylan, I don't know what he does in the morning. Sometimes he trades early, sometimes he trades later, so he'll hop in whenever he gets ready. He has a kid, so, you know, it's not like me where I just show up to the office every morning. If I had a kid, it'd be different too, so. I really want to do something right now. I want to get in and do something, but oh, there he is. There he is. Hashtag GOP. Golf. Golf. LaCroix and polo. What's the maximum you can trade one day on a combine, Mr. Sensei? You can lose up to 2K. Yeah, so I'm pretty much about to blow those accounts. But just reset them. Well, throwing in some journal entries, okay. There's nothing else going on right now. Might as well take a look. Um, 5-minute supply and a 1 hour supply. Retest, very nice. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, the line chart's very good, Will. It's actually, I forgot that even existed. Sorry, boys, I did some heavy lifting last night, moving slow this morning. Oh, it's all good, Dylan. Do your thing, bro. Morning, Dylan. Gold, lacrosse, and pickleball. That's right. Thank you. I was trying to think of sports. Well, it would be golf, lacrosse, and pickleball. GLP. Golf, lacrosse, pickleball. Who's down to play some golf, lacrosse, and pickleball? You had my heart and soul in your hand, and you played it. People probably think I'm weird. There's a fire, burning in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and turn me up down. Go lose paychecks. Ooh, I don't know about that, dude. I don't want to be losing some paychecks. You know what I mean? Okay, here we go. Potentially short in this 5-minute supply. It's not an A+ setup by no means, but I kind of like where it's headed. Stop. Only positive vibes here, Dylan. None of that. Yeah, only positive, guys. Golf, lacrosse, pickleball, yeah. Golf, lacrosse, pickleball, yeah. I play none of those sports. Bro, I have to pee, but I'm afraid to leave my stuff here. Bro, gold? What are you doing, gold? Do something. Come on, gold. Wake up, gold. Wake up. Wake up, gold. Alright, NQ's coming up in this 1 hour supply. 1 hour supply. Gold's trying to break, which would be nice. Gold is in this 5-minute supply. Okay, I'm YOLOing I'm YOLOing the final combines.
Order filled.
Oh,
Order filled.
I went the wrong way on that combine. Well, I blew that combine. I actually saved this combine, which is funny. And on the combine, okay guys, gold is officially in play. On the evals, I'll be looking for longs down here. Would like to see the retracement back into this 5-minute demand. Let's see if we get it. And I will take that on the evals.
Order filled.
Super risky play on the combine, or on the combine. I have my alert set on gold. Someone do the math for me. 1354, 1500. $28.54 is what I need to go to get 1500. Move this bad boy to break even. Gonna move over to gold. Gonna set my buys. There. Move back over to here. No, bro.
Order filled.
Kaplowy. Could have took $1,000 there and been break even, but it's whatever. We're waiting for gold.
Order filled.
No, I'm over here blowing combines. The next ones, I'm just going to trade the A+ setup with them. There's really no point at this point of just gambling the $95 or $91.
Order filled.
All right, I blew those combines today, which are, again, super risky trades. I'm waiting for this to pull back on the evals. MGC. Let's see if we get it. This is A plus setup. Let's see if we get it. New 5-minute candle opened. Oh, jolts in 15 seconds or 15 minutes. Oh, you're right. Dang it. Let's see if we get it. This is A plus setup. Yes, I had a $13 negative $1,300 on the combines, which I just blew. And we have red folder in 15 minutes. I'm gonna see if we get filled in the next 15 minutes or not. I think you need to listen to the Matrix Trading AI song on full blast. Yes, I like that Matrix Trading song, 100%. Let's do it, because we're waiting for this to happen.
You felt it your entire life, that there's something wrong with the market. You don't know what it is, but it's there, like a splinter.
But if anyone's update for Windows 11, don't download it. The first update to Windows for Windows is crashing slowly.
They want you to see the noise.
Ooh. Be careful with those Windows
Want you to
updates.
see.
Bill Gates got caught in that Epstein file. So obviously his virus scanner's not working.
Wake up, Neo, the tickers are calling. While the masses are buying, the kingdom is falling. I'm looking at digits, a cascade of green. I see the texture hidden between. The banks are the agents, the charts are the veil. But we found the back door, we're hot on the trail. Discard the emotions, the fear and the doubt. We know when they're in and we know when they're out.
Sorry guys, didn't realize how loud it was.
Order filled.
I know you're out there. I can feel you now. I'm gonna show these people what you don't want them to see. I'm gonna show them a world without limits. Matrix trading.
Order filled.
Really need to see this push on this next 5-minute candle. If not, we're cooked.
Order filled.
All right, took a loss on that. Totally fine. News about to drop. We were up $400, but I was waiting to take TP at this blue line. Wait till the news happens. I suspect maybe we can get filled at the demand, but let's see what happens with news. Definitely A+ setup. Very happy with that loss. Managed my risk and just got out. If it rips higher, it rips higher, but didn't want to lose more than $300 on that trade. Still a good setup, breaking all these lows. The NQ shorts ended up playing pretty well. Playing out pretty well. Just too tight of a stop loss. Taking super risky buy. We didn't get filled on that. Oh man. Bro, you kidding me? Don't run up, because that's going to suck. Don't run up, because that's going to suck pretty bad, but...
Order filled.
Yo, 3 micros is still hot like this? No freaking way, bro. Not good. Not good. I thought 3 micros was gonna be aight. Come on. I gotta get a breathing room. This is gonna suck if it does hit. Yes, yes, I saw that.
Order filled.
Trade idea good. I'm not mad at the idea. This is A plus is kind of what we look for, but you know, we can be getting chopped pretty hard with everything going on. We had to break a trend line, we had to break a structure. Still a valid setup, to be honest. I'm letting yesterday's selling, or I'm gonna give this one last shot. I'm letting yesterday's, I'm letting the red day kind of affect me right now, but I've been down before. So I kind of just have to recognize that feeling. So I like the trade idea. I'm not mad at it. I still think there's a good chance that we go long. We're in a 1 hour demand. We have a break of structure. We are fighting the trend, overall trend. That being said,
Order filled.
we shall see. Gonna give this one last shot. Don't go until, yes, 100%, 100%. My stops are just so tight, you know. You know, wider stops would probably have me less on tilt. I'm looking for those moves that just fill you and then rip up, which doesn't always happen. We really want to see this 5-minute candle close on the 13 EMA. We want to have a candle close above this line. 21 seconds left. We want to see a nice push or stay above the 13 EMA would be decent. If you win this trade, I'm selling all my Bitcoin. Sell it, bro. Sell it. All right, we grabbed the 13 EMA, which is nice. We're still not out of danger. We still have, we still can get caught in a pullback. We just need to break above this line here. Ay, ay, ay. Bro, come on. Are you kidding me, bro? Come on. Don't do this to us. Don't do this to us, Gold. Bro, are you kidding me, man? Gold really chopping us up, guys. Can I ask why you start too early without any sign of where it's headed? The trade itself is just 1 hour supply, 1 hour demand with a breakup structure, and you sometimes it's a trend reversal, so it's a little bit risky. But I have an idea that I want to go long. So I don't know what your questions. I don't know what you're asking. I should say. If this doesn't hold, bro, if this doesn't hold, this is insane. Trying to long, I know it's risky, but this is what we take. And we're not getting what we need. Grab the 13 EMA and it just, I have to accept that it's just not doing what we usually see. And that's part of it. I can't let myself think, oh, you know, it's a good trade. I'm giving myself more chances than I probably should, but I shouldn't allow myself to think this isn't a good setup. This is a great setup, and I could be wrong and too early, and I just have to live with that, to be honest. I just have to live with it. I was looking for TP up here, but we didn't even hit it. Let's see if we get this last minute candle to flip. If not, it looks like we're cooked. Dirty. Dirty, 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 dirty trading. Gold doing this dirty, 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 dirty. And Q's just selling off. Gold probably wants to sell off too.
Order filled.
I'm going to save myself $500 there of a loss. And reassess. Not on tilt. Perfectly fine. The higher time frame is trying to develop, and you're caught in it with the lower time frame chop. Yeah, I mean on the 1 hour, which is all we really focus on right now. You know, we're trying to hold here. The 1 hour is super choppy. So. We would have not been stopped out, and that would be really, really, really frustrating if it holds. Oh my goodness, bro. If it holds and rips up, that will be extremely frustrating. Dude, are you kidding me? Don't.
I've never been into that stuff. And then when I was in nursing school, no, we learned how awful they are for your kidneys, for like really bad for you. And anybody that I was looking into that. You know what I'm saying? Like really not. And they will even if you drink enough of them, they'll cause a false positive drugs for drugs. Yes, the given one. Yeah. Yeah.
Bro, I am gonna freaking throw my laptop across the wall. I see how it's gonna be gold. If I would have just left my stop, it would have been fine. But, you know, just close the trade if you don't like it. So, do I want to get back in? Yeah, sure I do, but I don't want to get FOMO and then enter in and then it pulls back again. So, I'm going to let it run and wait for another opportunity. LMAO. Take a deep breath. Thanks, Dylan. I'm flipping short. I'm waiting to see if it flips short. With the momentum still selling off, it's like every time we try to push higher, we sell off. So I'm seeing if that happens. I'm gonna look for short. When is the computer's funeral going to be? Sometime soon. Sometime very soon. What time is it? It's 8:19. Don't kill your laptop, mine died. Okay, you got it. I won't kill it. I won't kill it. All right, let's see if this thing holds and it rips higher. I'm flipping my bias short. Chop City is right, bro. All right, I'm giving this short. Stab short, quick opportunity short if it fills. Sweet. If not,
filled.
Stops above here. Flipping by a short. Look for the break of this trend line, see if we get it. Probably premature on the trend line break.
Order filled.
Selling pressure is just there. So every time we give up and we make lower low on the 5, you know, I'm lower low, lower low, lower low on the 5 minute. At some point, I'm thinking it's going to give. And, you know, we're in selling season right now. So yeah, I can. I mean, there are some wicks on the 1 hour, but you know, on the 5 minute, we just keep selling.
Order filled.
Come on and break, bro. Just give it up. See if we get the true sell-off. Come on. Come on, let's break the lows. Can't let this be a false breakout, so I got to be careful. But you know, whenever you just gotta, I just wanted to flip bias. Good job, bro. Thanks, Dylan. Appreciate it, bro. It's not easy, but sometimes you just gotta flip your bias when you see some signs. But I could still be wrong here. This could be a false breakout. We got 1 minute left on the 5-minute candle, so I'd really want to see this break below here. Okay, so we got 7 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. So long as we close bearish, I'm gonna feel good continuing to stay short. One thing is I want to put my stops above this 5-minute candle and let this thing win or lose. Come on and flush, guys. Flush. It's trying really hard. It is trying really hard to hold, and it very well may. But my risk is assessed. I'm looking for these swing lows. Just trying to follow the momentum. Could we potentially fill all this? Sure. But I'm not going to look for all that. That's a lot. Potentially can get down to this 1 hour demand. I asked AI to make it. Oh my gosh, thank you, Will. I'll have to check that out, bro. I'll have to check that out. Got some coffee on my shirt. Good thing it's black. One minute, 49 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. If we push down here, guys, if we break this low here, I can see sellers really stepping up. We're not in the clear yet, guys. Bulls can come in and try to save this thing, but you know, we're looking weaker as the 5 minutes form. I really think this 4.94821 level, we can see some Momo step in. You know, I think I feel pretty comfortable going to break even at this point. So I'd rather, I have to ask myself, would I rather be at break even and see it run, or would I rather lose $400 something and then see it run? And I'd rather lose $377 than go to break even, get it tap me out at break even, and let it run. The 5 minute candle is definitely scaring me, but you just gotta let it breathe and let it do its thing. I mean, we broke this low here also. If I was trying to go long, I'd be entering long right now. Like back in the day, if I was trading, or when I first started trading, like, oh, enter in long, and I'd get trapped. So what I'm thinking is that we're building up orders and people are trying to go long here, thinking that we're gonna go higher. And hopefully it reverses and starts selling off. But I could be wrong. Which it looks like I could be wrong here. My goodness, bro. My goodness. What in the heck? What in the heck is going on here? Really? Really? Come on. Don't do this to us. Come on. Come on, bro. Don't do this to us. Dude, this is false breakout? Is this a false breakout all over again? How frustrating is this? We really need to see these next 1-2 minute candles flip. Because if it doesn't, it holds. I can see it reclaiming the trend line and us being cooked. It's coming to test the 13 EMA. Bro, I think I'm cooked. I think I'm cooked. Without the strong sell-off here, could be really cooked. Really now? Really? Really? We're doing this? We are doing this, aren't we? We are doing this. Dude. What insanity. Dude, I don't even know anymore. I honestly have no clue what's going on. It is a very, very choppy bull crab right now. Now I'm drawing like stars aligning. Looks like I'm drawing some hieroglyphics on the screen. It's a big 5-minute bull candle, bro. I don't think we're safe. I don't think we're gonna hold. A lot of buyers stepped in on this blue candle, and we really need to sell hard if we're gonna continue lower. It's the Big Dipper. Yes, this is called the Big Dipper strategy, bro. That is hilarious. Bro, we need to see this 5-minute candle engulfed. For any signs of safety, we would want to see this 5-minute candle engulfed. But I was looking for this swing low, and I don't think we're going to get it, to be honest, guys. Fred said NQ. Nice. NQ longs. Very nice. NQ longs down here would be valid. Right here. Oh, it already happened. It already broke above the high and then came back and retested. So you would have to wait for another 5-minute demand creation of some sort. Okay, sellers stepping up. We're not out of the clear yet, guys. We're not out of the clear yet. The Big Dipper is holding, Will. The Big Dipper is holding. They call this an Irish pendant. All those crazy names it's funny to me. I used to look at the patterns, a bull pattern, bull flag, and stuff like that, and I don't look at that stuff anymore. Okay, if we close below here, oh yeah, we're gonna look way better than we were just a second ago. And that means all of those buyers in this blue candle, all of those buyers, everyone thinking, all those retail buyers, oh, we're long, 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 go long, 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 was just all sold out. They all just got flipped on. And that means all of their orders that have stop orders here, everyone that has stops right over here are about to get hit. And I'm looking for a nice flush. Down. Down. Flush down, please. Please, gold. Please. We got to see that break. Come on. Come on, give us the break, y'all. Give us the break. I'm telling you, if it sells off, this thing could push fast down, really fast down. But it's holding. It's trying its best. Come on and break it. Break that thing, bro. Break that thing. Let's go. Come on, break. I'm at break even now, everybody. I'm at break even now. Silver broke liquidity. Nice. Nice. Very nice. Dylan, are you saying that gold follows that trend? Essentially? I'm looking for TP at this second blue line. Come on. Come on. The tape. I used to trade the tape, and you can see like the orders flashing, and right now, right down here, this can start flashing really hard. We just got to see that flush. Come on, bro. Break. Down. Break it. There's a lot of stop orders down here, I'm sure. This area, 48.21. All right, we got that break. Let's see if the momentum continues. Let's see if the momentum continues lower. Come on and push, bro. Come on and push. Come on and give us that push, bro. Come on and give us that push. It's all good. I'm gonna learn from my lessons and continue to see if we can have this hold. I mean, I can put myself at break even for the day here, but I want to give this thing another chance. I want to give this thing another chance to go short. I'm gonna go get more coffee. I'm either at break even and lost for the day, or I'm watching this thing flush. Did silver dump? Okay, silver dumped, or NQ's dumping, silver's dumping. I'm not gonna chicken myself out here. I'm gonna hold. See if we get that continued sell-off. I gotta get my wife some juice. Be right back. I'm not looking for anything in particular. I'm trying to trade with the trend right now. I'm trying to see if we can continue lower, basically. And deep inside, I'd rather get stopped out than watch this continue lower. I know that sounds crazy, but I'm learning from my lessons of watching things continue without me, and I want to see if we get that continuation lower or not. It's gonna suck. It is gonna hurt, but I'm trying to trade with the trend. MNQ trying to hold. Silver is coming back. I'm trying to trade with silver, I guess, because Dylan spoke to me about this, how he uses silver as like a way to kind of tell where things are going to head. Not that they trade exactly the same, but I'm trying to keep myself in the trade. Is it over? Is the run over? The run might be over, guys. The sell-off might be over. I think it's over. I'm gonna be at break even now. Again, lots of buyers have stepped up in this area and trying to hold. And if they can't hold, I can see this selling off pretty hard. If it holds, the worst is we lose what we lose. If the sellers continue to sell, I can see us breaking this candle wick on the 1 hour pretty hard, 48.08. I could see that coming really fast, but we'd have to hold, or we have to break it. I'm gonna be on a meeting, guys, so don't mind me. Hey Nathan, how's it going?
What's up, my man? How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, good. Hey, are you coming up at 2 o'clock?
I'm already here. I got a hotel, so I should. I just have to be at a place at 11, so I could be there sooner if you need me to.
Could. So I'm doing a last minute thing for a client of ours. So we finished their backyard, and then they bought this massive fucking boulder, and I told her I couldn't get in the backyard, so I'm hiring this monster crane, and we're gonna crane it over the house.
Holy crap!
And I thought that'd be cool to just film even for 5-10 minutes. It's right here in
Yes.
Jasper.
Okay, when is that at?
The crane should be here at 9, which is now.
Oh snap!
So I'm guessing he's gonna take probably 15, 20, maybe even 30 minutes to set up.
Okay.
So really like 9:30.
Yes, if you can send me the address, I'm gonna make it happen.
Oh man, I appreciate you.
Absolutely, thank
Dude, and the social media has been off the fucking charts.
you. Awesome, man. Good. I'm glad to hear
Seriously,
it.
I hear it every day. We're super, super grateful for you and your team.
Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Means a lot. This one's gonna be sick. I'll fly the drone.
Sweet.
All right, man.
we'll see you.
Yes, sir. Thank you. All right, bye.
Bye.
Hey, kumusta?
Hey, bossy.
Kumusta
How
ang
are you,
bu-
bossy?
kumusta ang buhay?
Morning, boss.
Good morning, guys.
All good, boss.
How are you?
All good, boss. All good, boss.
Good, good, good. I know it's been a while. I'm really busy. Like right now, I'm at a hotel. I'm trading. I'm just got off a phone call, so I have to go shoot. A client just called me to go shoot something for him, so I'm gonna go handle that. But I just wanted to make sure I say hi to you guys because it's been so long. You know what I mean? I was like, oh, it's been too long. I feel so bad.
Super busy, boss.
I know, man. I know. It's been so crazy. But you guys are doing good?
Oh, yes,
Yes,
boss.
boss. That was good, boss.
Okay, okay. All right, let's do it again today. Let me give you guys each a bonus. So if you could each get one to make it fun, I'll get you guys each 20. But each of you guys have to get one. Deal?
Sure, boss.
Okay. All right. I'll try to check in a little bit again. Sorry, I just had literally someone just called me and said, "Can you be here by 9:30?" It's 9 o'clock now my time, so I got to get going. I'll see you guys later. Okay.
boss.
Thank
care,
you.
boss.
Good luck today.
Boss.
Thank you guys. Everybody.
Thank you.
All right, I'm in this trade still, guys. I was trying to let it breathe, and at this point, I think we might be cooked on silver. It was a good trade in my opinion. At this point, I'd rather lose than be. Oh yeah, good. Thank you so much. Thank you. You too. Thank you. I'd rather just lose here, break even, and call it a day. So there it is. I think I did good. I handled my motions pretty well. Yeah, we could have been up $600 for the day, but there was potential to have more profits. And I think I feel much better being break even than letting this be something where it could have been way further down the road, if that makes sense. So, that being said, I got to jump off. I got to get on the road. You guys heard it on the phone call. Client wants me to be there by 9:30. It's already 9:03. So, I'll see you guys in the next one. We'll see what happens here. I'm still in. Peace out, guys.